Hello everyone. Welcome to KHB Learn English. If you're new here, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We bring you powerful and life-changing content to help you grow and improve every day. Today's topic is extremely important because I'm going to share 4 skills that can completely transform your life. These skills won't just make you more successful, but they will also help you learn English faster and stand out from the crowd. Are you ready? Let's get started. No matter which field you're in, strong communication skills will always set you apart. If you can express your thoughts clearly, whether in writing or speaking, you will have an advantage in every situation. Speak with confidence, listen actively, and improve your vocabulary. The better your communication, the greater your chances of success. Successful people know how to manage their time effectively. If you find yourself procrastinating or feeling busy without achieving much, then it's time to learn time management. Prioritize important tasks, avoid distractions, and focus on what truly matters. The better you manage your time, the faster you'll improve your English skills and reach your goals. The world is changing fast, and if you rely only on others to teach you, you'll be left behind. The most successful people are self-learners. They take responsibility for their own growth. Watch English movies, read books and articles, use learning apps, and practice daily. The more you engage with English, the faster you'll master it. Life is full of challenges, but successful people don't complain, they find solutions. If you don't understand a word, look it up instead of giving up. If you feel nervous speaking English, practice in front of a mirror or record yourself. Make learning fun. Play word games, join English-speaking communities, and challenge yourself to improve every day. These 4 skills, communication, time management, self-learning, and problem-solving, will not only help you succeed in life but will also make learning English much easier. Which skill do you think is the most important for learning English? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to KH English L, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing. This